Gidgee.
Daddy.
Daddy. Football.
Jacob, do you see Santa on the tree?
Are you video?
Yeah. Where's Santa? That's right.
Where's the snowman?
That's Santa again. Do you see a snowman?
There's mine. Yeah. Does he look cold? Okay, push the little green button. Push that little green button. You did it. You only hit it once. There you go. So you have me singing on there?
No, I don't think so.
You have to warn me when you do that. What is that? Bring it here and I'll show you. It's a pickle. Jacob, have you ever heard of a pickle on a tree? What do you think? I'll show you it. Do you think you should put the pickle on a tree?
Jacob, can you say bye-bye? We're going to turn off the recorder.
Show this to Daddy.
The pickle.
Show it to Daddy. So what in the world do we do with that? You want to hang it on the tree? Here, let's hang it on this tree. Come here. You think we should put it right here? Okay.
Bye-bye, Jacob. Bye-bye.
Can you tell Daddy bye-bye? Brew.
That's Daddy's. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, thank you.